So this is the prompting guidebook that I've attached in the introductory section as a link and as a PDF. If you actually click on the link, it will take you to this page, which will have a lot of different sections in it with different prompts. We are right now working with the first section, which says basics of prompting. Over here, the first thing I did was I provided an example of 13 different prompts that just gives you a basic idea and flavor of what are the things that you can ask ChatGPT to do for you. So for instance, comparing two words, compare and contrast the words effect and effect, summarize a book, a prompt that asks ChatGPT to provide a brief summary of something, benefits of a task, writing a biography, explaining a concept, a basic recipe, travel destination highlights, movie review, basic budgeting tips, proofreading, and exam question creation. So some of the very basic questions that you can practice it out. I also covered some of them in the introductory section preview video if you have seen that. Now we're talking about drafting a prompt. So what matters when it comes to drafting a prompt? We have a basic idea of what are the different tasks that GPT can, and Bard can do for us now. So now we're going to focus on specifically on prompting and figure out what are some of the main frameworks and structures that we can work with, and remember that can help optimize and increase the efficiency of the output that we get from our prompts. So the first thing to remember is that creating high quality prompts is very essential. A high quality prompt offers necessary context information, while poorly written prompts might lead to less accurate and irrelevant responses from the model. So if you want the model to give you what you want, you need to be very specific and draft good, effective, articulative prompts so that the model can understand the task and respond accordingly. So how do you draft good prompts? So let's talk about a prompt structure. What are the things that I need to think about when I'm writing a prompt? The first and foremost is context or the primer, a brief introduction or background information for the prompt. Example, company history, product features, problem summary. So I can provide context to the model to understand, okay, this is the context that we're working with. Let's do a quick example. So let's say I want to write an email. Can you write me an email to my customers of, let's say, tutoring company based in Toronto that I will be offering 50% discount for the next 2 weeks on all classes. So, or let's do sessions. So a very basic prompt to start with. I'm just asking GPT to write me an email to all my customers, tell them that I'm offering a 50% discount for the next 2 weeks. It goes on. We hope this email finds you well and that you've been enjoying the benefits of our tutoring service. You wanted to reach out today with some thrilling news that will be surely be a smile on your face. For the next 2 weeks, we're offering incredible 50% discount on the session. We are committed to providing exceptional education, whether you're seeking assistance in mathematics or it came up with more information and then it advertised the discount code again, so forth. Okay, now let's change the prompt a bit. So now instead of asking, I'm going to provide it a bit more context. Write the email similar to the style and tone and wording of Airbnb discount emails. Now I've provided it with some context. I've provided it with a reference of how to write the email. So now it will change its writing style and it will write in the form that as if this email is coming from Airbnb, and it is already trained on Airbnb data because Airbnb was there in 2021. Why did I choose Airbnb? Because Airbnb has a very strong marketing game and they've been able to attract a lot of customers from their email marketing. So that's why I went with Airbnb. So now the output would be slightly different. We hope this email finds you well and that you're having a fantastic day. We are thrilled to bring you to an exclusive offer that will make your learning journey even more exciting. For the next 2 weeks, we're delighted to offer you an incredible discount. We understand the importance of accessible education and provide, so this is Airbnb language, because it talks about accessing houses and you should be able to work from anywhere in the world, and how they build an entire system around it to support our work needs. That's what GPT is doing. It's using Airbnb information and applying it to the specific use case of tutoring that we're talking about here. We understand the importance of accessible education and providing exceptional support to our valued students. That's why we want to express our gratitude by offering this generous discount exclusively available to our loyal customers like you. And Airbnb focuses on its customers and that loyalty really matters to them. So this way, by providing more context to GPT, we can actually get more out of the answer that we're looking for.